Good morning students. This is the continuation video of Standard 6 Chemistry. The first chapter, Introduction to Chemistry. Only few things are left out from the chapter, that is regarding chemistry lab and instructions to be followed in chemistry lab and some safety measures to be taken while working in a chemistry lab. So first we will understand what is a chemistry lab. A place where experiments of chemistry are performed is known as a chemistry laboratory, where the scientists and chemists are doing experiments to find out, to research or to work out on finding new medicines, new varieties of cosmetics, new varieties of fertilizers and so on. As you move to your higher classes, you will also have to go in chemistry lab to do some research work and so on. So what are the instructions that you have to follow while working in a chemistry lab? That is, you have to take a lab coat that used to be white in color. You must have seen a doctor using a coat. Same way, you have to take a lab coat, you have to take soap with you, matchbox, duster, lab book and textbook. Second thing, you have to read the experiments in advance. The experiment that you are going to perform over there, that you have to read beforehand so that it will be easy for you to perform that particular experiment. Do your work patiently and carefully so that there will be no chances of any mishappening. After completing the work, you should clean the workplace, turn off the tap as well as the gas burner. Many more instructions are also there that you have to follow while working in chemistry lab. Some are the safety measures that we have to be followed. Like if you are taking that lab coat, you should always wear that lab coat inside the lab. Along with that, you should wear safety goggles so that your eyes should be protected. Read the labels carefully before handling or using any type of chemicals. Third one, handle chemicals carefully. Do not throw hot chemicals here and there, neither in the sink base or basin. Heat the chemicals carefully, not the face of the test tubes or the containers in which you are heating the chemicals should not be towards your face. It should be on the other side. If anything spills on your skin while doing experiments, you should go under the running tap and carefully wash it. Do not eat or drink anything in the laboratory. So these are some safety measures that we should take while working in a lab. After that, we will go for the exercises to solve. I hope you all will write in your notebook. The first is, we will do question number A, that is tick the correct answer. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of characteristics and composition of substance. Number 2, the periodic law was formulated by Mendeleev. An example of a petrochemical is kerosene. Silicon and germanium find use in electronics. An example of explosives is trinitrotoluene. Now come to question number B, that is fill in the blanks. That is dash is the system of acquiring knowledge. That is, science is the system of acquiring knowledge. Second one, preservatives are used for the preservation of food. Third one, cosmetics are applied to the human body for beautifying. Nylon, polyester and terylene are synthetic fibers. Fertilizers are chemicals that provide nutrients to crops and increase their production. Moving on to match the following. Number C. Lavoisier named oxygen and hydrogen. Mendeleev designed the periodic table. Alchemy, transmutation of metals to gold. Dalton proposed the atomic theory. Robert Boyle wrote The Skeptical Chemist. One is extra there, that is, discover the nucleus of the atom, that you will leave. Now come to true false, that is question number D. Our first one is that sodium benzoate is a preservative, that is true. Number 2, talcum powder is made from mineral called iron, that is false. Talcum powder is made from a mineral called talc. Number 3, TNT is an explosive, true. Number 4, pesticides and insecticides are chemicals used to kill pests and insects, that is also true. The last one, silicon and germanium are used in electronic industry, that is also true. Now move on to question answers, that we will go first for short answers. That is, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of physical science that deals with the characteristics and composition of various forms of matter along with the changes they undergo. What are food additives? Food additives are made from chemicals and are included in food to improve their shelf-life, appearance and flavor. As these answers are also given in your book, you can mark and write. The third one is, what are petrochemicals? A variety of products obtained from petroleum such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are called petrochemicals. The fourth one is, why are silicon and germanium useful in the electronics industry? The property of electrical conductivity makes silicon and germanium useful in the electronic industry for the manufacture of electrical circuits. You have to write the names of some building materials manufactured by chemical process. Those are cement, mortar, bricks, steel, glass and varnishes. Number 6, why is wire gauge placed under glass apparatus when they are heated? A wire gauge is placed under glass apparatus when they are heated so that it helps in heating the glass apparatus evenly and therefore reducing the chances of breakage. That's all for this video. Only few answers in detail are left that will continue during my last video for standard 6.